I'm in Flaherty. I'm the owner winemaker for Flaherty Wines. We're located in the Aconcagua Valley of Chile. Jennifer Hoover, my wife, and I started the winery in 2004 at home, and we moved to this location here in 2014. Just a big wine fan. If I didn't start off that way, I'm a big fan of wine and the whole thing of food and wine, which is a big part of what we do here in terms of receiving people, the food and wine pairing. We love that. I also like the cycles of wine, how you start off with seasons, you're connected to agriculture, and even in the winery you have this thing that there's seasons, especially in a small wine, you really have a sense of seasons. It's like, going from spring to autumn, fall, you kind of see that. We are specialists in making red blends. That's our forte from first day one, working with one of the blends, like the Aconcagua wine, is based on Syrah, Cabernet, Petit Verdot, and a little bit of Tempranillo, all from the Aconcagua Valley. A little bit from our own vineyards, but mostly growers. And then we have a vineyard in the south, in Cauquenes, that we have Tempranillo, Petit Syrah, and a little bit of Pais there. And some of those components go into this wine, which is a blend between the two regions. We produce about 50,000 bottles a year, 50,000 to 60,000 bottles, depending on the vintage, really. In 2018, we sold 85% within the Chilean market. Well, that wasn't the original plan, but that's where our brand has been very successful within the Chilean market. Although we do export to about 8 different countries, but it's been more in the past. For whatever, the brand has done really well in Chile. I'm pretty excited about Norma cork and this use of sugar cane for the cork as a prime material for the product. That's really exciting for us because we'd like to be conscious of whatever we do. Sometimes the word sustainability to me turns into a marketing term. It's more of a way of life of trying to bring something and give something back. We've used Norma cork for Flaherty wines. This is the second vintage, I think, or the second or third time we've purchased, and we keep increasing, mostly because every time we open a bottle, it's the same. The great thing we have is that it creates confidence bottle to bottle. We know that every time we put the corkscrew in the bottle, it's going to extract pretty much the same. It's going to taste pretty much the same. We don't have the bottle variation that we had previously.